So in this video, basically we are understanding about what is data. So basically data, it can be defined as the raw fact or value or any set of value So basically data can be defined as the raw fact or value or any set of value when it is processed then it is called the processed data. So basically when this data is processed, so this is called the processed data. And now let us see the data. So basically this data is divided into two parts. So it is divided into or classified into the two parts. So the first one is for the elementary data and the second one, it is the grouped item. So let us first understand what is elementary data. So it contains only one value or item. For example, let us take it as example of the roll number. So basically roll number is the elementary data because it only contains the one value or the item. Now the second one, that is the grouped item. So in this, as the name explained itself, that the grouped item is basically the number of anything, that is sub items. Basically it contains the various sub items. For example, let us take it as example of name, as name is having three parts of first name. That is basically, we know that in Indian culture we have, or in the South Indian culture we have the name that is divided, which have the sub parts of the, this is divided into three parts of the, first is the first name, the second part is the second name, and the third, which is basically not as take it as the second name, it is named as the middle name. So this, here we have middle name, and the last name, that is basically a surname. So this is divided into sub items, that is first, middle and last. Let us take an example. For example, let we have the Ravneet. So this is the Ravneet is the first name. Singh, this is the second name, and the last name is for the Saluja. So this is the basically a grouped item. So I hope you understand regarding the data and its type. So thank you for watching this video.